today I made the most delicious, refreshing summer salad. It was perfect for this hot weather on a summer's day. So I've been growing some herbs recently, so I thought I'd use some in my salad. I've got some coriander, some basil, some chives, some spring onion and some rosemary. I'm going to start by washing and peeling some potatoes. I'm going to cut the potatoes into small cubes. I'm going to put them in a pan ready to be boiled. I'm also going to put some pasta in a pan ready to be boiled. I'm going to boil the potatoes and the pasta until soft. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the rest of my ingredients. I've got some leftover coleslaw from a takeaway that we had last night, so I'm going to pour that into a big bowl. I'm now going to cut up some red peppers, some yellow peppers and some red onion. I'm going to add all of my ingredients into one bowl and then give that a good mix. At this point, I transferred all of my ingredients into a big salad bowl. So I seasoned this very lightly. I've added some pepper and some salt. I'm going to add a small squeeze of some lime and some lemon, or you can just use one of these. And finally, I'm going to garnish with my favourite herbs.